Again, this is updated, guys. I feel like pretty proud myself by watching my gorgeous, beautiful peonies into the plant lawn of my garden right now. I've been working here into my garden, just taking out all the kind of weeds right underneath here. But again, I just think myself, okay, while I'm working here into my garden, I have to take some pretty quick short video again as well. So this is it, what I'm doing right now, and this kind of peonies, gorgeous and beautiful. I guess I've been planting this about, oh, I can't remember, maybe about over about 3 to 4 years ago. Really, I had this kind of flowers, but the was when I started planting this, it was started by the small bulbs that some of my friends giving me a small bulbs to it, and then I planted it here, and this is what it's going to be look like right into the doorstep of my house. And it really looking gorgeous and beautiful. I'm pretty happy now because they just about start coming out all of it, I guess. There is still a little bit tiny bulbs here that might be come out soon as well. This is it, but it's really nice, really nice. It's part of hardy plants because I didn't even pay any attention so much during the winter time, because winter time this is all completely gone, and then they start coming out again their springtime, and this is what it look like. And this is my first time having kind of flowers around here, and during the winter time I was a bit kind of upset because I thought it's completely gone or something like that. So I just leave it, and then after springtime I seen it start coming back again, and this is what makes me feel like happy, happy by watching this. And it's part of healthy plans because I don't have to do anything much during the winter time. But the summertime I just giving watering maybe 2 to 3 times in a week. Depends on the temperature weather we had here. Because sometimes during the summertime here, sometimes the weather can be a bit funny, sometimes a bit windy and cold and rain, something like that. So when the weather is rain a lot, I don't need to give any water at all. So anyway, I got to go now, guys. Thank you for watching. Goodbye for now. Bye.